Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Please subscribe. Thank you, guys. Guys, ito guys, yung instant na kain ko, guys. Instant champurrado. Ito yung ginamit ko, guys. Oh, ito lang, guys. Oh, dark chocolate na Swiss Miss. Tapos, ilagay ko lang sa hot water and then ilagay ko tong rice, guys. Leftover na rice ko, guys. Oh, diba guys? May instant champurrado na ako. Guys, may hipon guys. Tingnan niyo guys. Sarap ito guys. Pinili ko lang to doon sa Carinderia. May drinks na guys. May kanin pa. At may ulam. Weird no? Pero sarap eh.